I'm Jessica with Lifecycle Sherpa, a community and resources for those affected by Parkinson's disease. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and sign up for our free resources at lifecyclesherpa.com, which is in the link below. Okay, let's do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the back part of the button hook tool. This is for zipping up a jacket. So this is the tool. It has a little hook on the end and it's very simple to use. You're going to start the zipper and then you're just going to simply hook and pull up. Make sure that it's hooked inside the little part of the zipper. There's a lot of little spaces, and if you don't have the extra little toggle attachment, you can always add a piece of string or anything else that can help you elongate that. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like it so that others can see it too, and don't forget to subscribe for more.